This is Tanvir Kazmi from a news channel, See the Word Through Tanvir Kazmi. It's a very important news which came last month, which was I felt very sad and discouraged that when around 300 family members from Afghanistan, they were trying to cross border into Iran, and they all were killed. This was noted in the newspaper, and this was very, very shocking news for me that what happened, why we did this, where are we going? Have we lost humanity? Are we not one family for the entire world? Adam, children of Adam and Eve? Look at yourself. Your body parts are same, nose, eyes, mouth. Your physical structure is same. Only color or language is different. That's what God made to unite. So enjoy each other company, traditions. Why we are killing each other based on borders? Why we hate each other? We all belongs to one God, and we are reading the same book. We all praying to same God. Are we not enjoying the privileges given to us by sky through water? The animals serving us. We have free vegetable, living, the clothes, the cotton comes from the earth. Why are we killing each other? Why we have done this? We have to be very careful dealing each other. This is a very dangerous and unforgivable kind of our behavior towards each other. We have to change. Let's not do it. We are humanity under one God. We worship same God. We have same book. If there's a problem, we need to talk to them. If somebody is running away from the country, God, your Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran that if you find problem in your country, migrate to other country. He is allowing us to do it. And he continued telling us, other people, oh people, when somebody comes to you, accept them, their brothers, and help them to run the faith. If somebody have trouble, why you did not help them? Why you not trying? God has given you enough. You have this earth is not belongs to us or me and you. This earth belongs to the Creator who made the entire universe. We are living here few years. We all will be dead bones. So let's not do this border killing for small issues. Yes, there is a problem in this country. Go and help. Entire United Nations is there. Why that United Nations not that active and not fruitful for others? Why one country has a problem? Why we are not sitting together to resolve their problems? If somebody need help, we all together help them. We're not sitting in our new generation are wasting time sitting on social media all day watching a fake and lie stories and destroying their lives. Put them into work. Help each other. When one country is problem, entire world has to go in and help them. Let's change. Let's not kill each other. This is very sad news. You are belongs to same God. You are reading all praying to same God. How could you do this? May God forgive us and let us change again. Come back to the path of God. Take care. Bye.